Kasama natin to.
Caught a glimpse of your splendor in the corner of my eye. The most beautiful thing I've ever seen. And it was like a flash of lightning reflected off the sky. And I know I'll never be the same. Show me your glory. Send down your presence. I wanna see your face. Show me your glory. Majesty shines about you. I can't go on without you, Lord. When I climb down the mountain and get back to my life, I won't settle for ordinary things. I'm gonna follow you forever for all of my days. I won't rest till I see you again. Show me your glory. Send down your presence. I wanna see your face. Show me your glory. Majesty shines about you. I can't go on without you, Lord. No, no. Show me your glory. Send down your presence. I wanna see your face. Show me your glory. Majesty shines about you. I can't go on without you, Lord. Show me your
Be blessed and listen to Manawag Dominican Radio. May kasama ka.
Hi and hello, this is your friend Father Butch Bombase OP giving you a thought for today. And our thought for today is what our hands can do. Our hands do more work than any other part of the body. Our hands represent us personally. That is why when we shake hands, we give our hand to someone. We call people with a gesture of our hand. We stop people by putting up our hand. We open a hand in friendship and make a face in anger. We hold a child's little hand in support. In times of grief, we soothe people with a hand on the shoulder. We eat with our hand, fill with it, wash with it, work with it. A hand can build a house, dig a garden with a net. It can carve a canoe, throw a spear, shoot an arrow. Hands plant food and harvest it. A hand beats a drum, drives a truck, flies a plane. A hand can rub skin and take away pain. It can strike any enemy and give pain. A hand can sew clothes and thread a needle. If we lose a hand, we correctly say that we are handicapped. God showed His great wisdom when He made a hand. Just look at yours for a minute. The tips of your finger have some of the most sensitive nerves in the body. You can close your eyes, your fingertips will tell you if something is hot or cold, hard or soft, wet or dry. Run your fingers very lightly over your clothes, over a book or a piece of paper, over the skin on your face. Feel the difference when you touch a piece of iron, a block of wood, an ice cube, or a burning match. What tells you of all these differences? Your fingertips. The word hand occurs more than 600 times in the Old Testament. We read about God's hand holding us up, about how He rules with an iron hand, and we are warned not to fall into the hands of God. In the New Testament, we find hand used more than 200 times. With His hand, Jesus multiplied loaves and fishes, healed the blind man, cuddled the children, raised the dead girl. Finally, His hands were nailed to the cross for our salvation. As the Hebrews of old would have agreed, and as the musically gifted Black Americans sing, He's got the whole world in His hand. We should clap our hands in joy about that. And this is your friend Father Butch Bombase OP giving you a thought for today. And our thought for today is what our hands can do. Happy Thursday! Keep smiling. And one day, life will get tired of upsetting you. Wishing you a happy Thursday.
Some days I barely hold on. When life drags me down, I wanna let go. But when my spirit is weak, you come to my aid and strengthen my soul. I'm lost without you, I'll never doubt you. Your grace is beyond compare. And though when it rains it pours, you know all I have is yours. You smile when you hear my prayer. You rescued me